Hello guys, welcome to our channel Indrakshita Vlogs. Today we will be telling you how to make alocasia or arbi in homemade style. Now starting with our pan, we'll put on the gas, switch on the gas on the flame. Now telling you the ingredients. This is garlic, 2 to 3 garlics finely chopped. This is hing, 2 to 3 pinches. This is ajwain, half tablespoon. This is 250 grams arbi. This is salt. This is turmeric powder, and this is red chili powder. These three are according to our taste, but we have taken around 3/4 spoon. Now this is garam masala. Now we will see the pan has been heated up. Now we will put 2 teaspoons or tablespoons of oil in that. Now, as the oil has been heated up, we will put some garlic and stir the garlics. We'll wait for the garlic to become hash brown. Now we can see that this garlic is done. So we will put some pinches of hing. Now we will put ajwain and continuously stir the material. Turmeric powder, red chili powder, salt and garam masala. Now we will add boiled alocasia. This is the boiling of the arbi or alocasia does a special and great effect. It reduces the content of that material which is like quite indigestive to our body. After boiling, it becomes more digestive. So for more digestion, we have added ajwain, hing and garlic so that it increases your digestion instead of making it undigestive. So now we have put the boiled arbi into the oil with all the material, and we will keep stirring so that the mixture is mixed with each and every chopped arbi. Now we will put garam masala, about a 1/4 and stir the arbi. We'll wait for 5 to 6 minutes for the masala or the mixture to settle down in every part of that arbi. Now cover the arbi with your plate or any of the cover. Too much of choking. Now we will wait for 1 to 2 minutes for that arbi to be cooked. Now we will check the arbi. As you can see, it is totally cooked. It is our Dadi maa ke nuske for cooking a arbi. Now converting this arbi into your serving plate, and you can eat this delicious and yummy arbi with some parathe or chapati or some puris. It will give a awesome taste to your taste buds. Thank you guys for seeing and viewing our video. I hope you people liked it. If you liked it, please do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Bye. Love ya.